Hey YouTube, it's your girl Miss Eri Baby coming at y'all with another video. Today we are going to be doing some quarantine nails at home. I'm going to be using a coffin nail tip kit that I purchased from Amazon. The link will be in the description box below. And one of my friends picked out the colors for me today. I'm going to be using this turquoise blue kiss gel like polish, the Sinful Shine polish, and I also have some white, and I have my top coat, and I do have some glitter, and I have some rhinestones that I purchased from Amazon, and some nail glue to glue on the nails as well as the rhinestones. So stay tuned for my video, and thank you guys for watching.
Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
I'm going to start by taking some pure acetone and cleaning off my nail beds from any excess oil or any debris from my previous nail set. Once I let the acetone dry off my nails, I go ahead and push my cuticles back on all 10 of my fingers, followed by etching my nails with a 180 grit file that I purchased from my local Sally Beauty Supply store. This helps the nails to actually stay, the fake nails to actually stay connected to my real nails without lifting. This removes, further removes any excess oils. I also went ahead and pre-selected each tip that I will be using for each finger. This makes the process go by much quicker. I'm going to go ahead and take this nail glue and add each tip to the respective nail and hold the tip on to my nail bed by applying pressure for at least 5 seconds. This helps ensure that the nail tip is actually glued to the nail bed and won't lift. Now I'll go ahead and cut each nail down to my desired length. I don't like my nails to be too long because I do have to work and live my daily life. So I'm not used to having super long nails, but I do like to have like a medium length nail. And I also can do short nails, but for some reason when I'm typing on the computer, I like to have really long nails. I like to hear my nails clack on the keyboard. I don't know, it's just me. I'm going to go ahead and apply base coat to all 10 of my nails. And I'm going to be using this really cute mini fan. It's battery operated and I purchased it from my local Dollar Tree. It's really cute and really convenient for makeup as well as nails. I'm going to go ahead and take my Kiss Gel Strong nail polish that I purchased from my local Dollar Tree for $1. I'm going to add this to my pinky, middle, and thumb finger. The color is Neon Pastel and the color number is DTGNP46. I really like this color. This is like almost my favorite color blue. My favorite color blue is the color of my placemat that's underneath the white piece of paper. So it's similar. It's almost my favorite color, so I really like it. I just go and I add one layer of this polish because it is thick, so it does take a really long time to dry, and followed by putting the polish on these three fingers. I am going to put it underneath my mini fan and let it dry for about 2-3 minutes. I'm going to open up these rhinestones that I got from Amazon and take some nail glue and put that around the clear ring fingernail and add rhinestones of varying sizes, no specific order, to the edge of the ring fingernail. I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat of that neon pastel blue color to my 6 pastel blue nails and let that dry. I'm going to go ahead and add this Sinful Shine with Gel Tech nail polish in the color Diamond in the Raw, number 1626, to my both of my ring, not my ring fingers, I'm sorry, both of my pointer fingers, because I'm going to be using silver glitter. One of my friends, Darian, he requested that I use silver today, silver glitter. So I'm going to be using the silver glitter on my pointer fingers. So I decided, well, I should probably use the silver polish underneath that silver glitter so it looks more silvery, if that's a word. But okay. Once both of my pointer fingers are dry, I'm going to go ahead and add some clear base coat. It's also a top coat to over top of that silver polish, so I can create a base for my loose glitter to stick to. So just going to go ahead and take my cuticle pusher tool that I used earlier in this video and just take and dump the glitter onto my finger and then lightly dump off the excess as I tap it on my finger onto the white piece of paper. I'm going to do that for both fingers, and I'm going to do the second finger off camera. So I decided for both of my middle fingers that I was going to create a marble look nail. So what I'm going to do is add some dots of the neon pastel blue color, some dots of the Diamond in the Raw silver color, as well as some dots of some white nail polish that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and just take my mixing tool and go ahead and mix those colors up, blend them up, make them cute. It doesn't have to be perfect. The whole idea behind marble is that no nail is the same, no two parts are the same. So just go ahead and be creative and mix up those colors. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add that clear top coat / base coat to each of my nails, making sure that I am sealing in that glitter nail because that is loose glitter. I'm going to go ahead and let both of my hands dry for about 5 minutes under the dryer, and periodically you might see me pick up my phone, but it's pretty cool in my house, so my nails are still drying. Next, I'm going to go ahead and clean up each of my nails with 100% pure acetone on a Q-tip, and I'm just going to clean up the edges of my nails around the cuticles so that I can remove any excess polish because I'm not a professional, so I'm not perfect. And since I am dehydrating my cuticle area, I'm going to go ahead and add some rosehip oil to my cuticles so that they can get hydrated again. And this is the finished look of my nails. Thank you for watching my video, babes.
Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.